Hi, I'm Bill.
I'm Lori.
And welcome to our channel. Right now we've got some leftover steak fajitas being warmed up. We did steak fajitas for lunch yesterday. That video will be coming out in a day or two. And so since we have these leftover ingredients, we're going to use it to make a pizza. So Lori, why don't you start pressing out the pie?
Oh.
And I think I'm going to take this out. Boy, that smells fantastic.
It does, doesn't it? Well, the fajitas were fantastic already.
They were. That was a very good meal.
Mm-hmm. And so we're using the big dough to make this pizza, and this is really what now has become my favorite. It's just so easy to handle, stretches out really nice, perfect for any beginner person because you don't have to worry about tearing. Some pizza doughs are very tender and they tear really easily, and you can just stretch it out on your crust. You don't have to be really careful with it.
And we warmed up the extra ingredients for about 3-4 minutes. The oven's been on high for 25 minutes or so. And I don't know if you've seen our Philly cheesesteak pizza video, but what we're going to do is we're going to put the dough in bare. So we start there, and then we let the dough cook a little bit, and then we put the ingredients on top, sprinkle some cheddar cheese. Are you ready?
Right.
All right, hold it. Let's move these guys out of the way.
Okay.
Oh, sorry to interrupt your flow.
And then this is lightly sprinkled with some semolina flour.
Oh, we got a lot there.
Oh, that's just regular flour.
Okay, let's just make sure it's still moving.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, let me move this out of the way.
Okay. And then, yeah, just bring that right over, I would think, and we can, I'll move this.
Here, put this underneath the...
Do you need these tongs?
Okay, yeah.
We got a big bubble.
Oh, yeah.
This happened to us last time as well.
Did you turn your oven to low?
Oh, geez.
I was wondering, it seemed a little...
Okay. That'll actually wind up tasting great.
Bill has a block on turning the oven to low.
I certainly do.
Oh, look at all the bubbles.
Yeah. Yeah, that's what happens when we do a pizza.
That's okay. We can pop them later.
We can pop them later. And that might be a good point, Lori. What do you think?
Yeah, I think so, because we're going to put the...
Okay, so, yeah, a little toasty there, but... All right, so now...
Okay, now we're going to put the meat on.
Yeah, careful, that's very hot. Why don't we switch sides without...
Okay.
I'll rotate this way. And which tongs do you want?
I'm just going to use these.
Okay.
Maybe you can move it closer to...
You bet. And I think we'll put the cheese right on too, huh?
Yeah, we could do it all at once.
Yeah, just spread that out a little bit. That's good. That's good. Oh, that's...
Okay, let me get the cheese out.
So that's the next step.
And you can use Monterey or I just happened to have cheddar. I didn't have anything else available. Look, that looks good, huh?
Okay, now the trick's going to be, the last time I had an issue with...
You're just going to put it in gingerly.
Oh, okay, this time it slid off very nice. Now I'll just turn it off?
Yeah, I think so.
And now all we're trying to do is just have the cheese melt. So we're turn the flame off and just let the residual
And then we're going to
heat.
top it with some Pico De Gallo that I've made, and I'll include the recipe in our description box.
And tonight we're having a wine that's 100% Gamay grapes, and it says, an easy drinking wine made with grapes of the highest quality from the Beaujolais region of Burgundy. And it tastes nice.
It's really nice. It has a kind of a cherry, black cherry.
Mm-hmm. And we're going to see how it pairs with this dish. And
So is this pretty good under the camera?
what do you think?
Ah, looks good.
Okay.
Okay.
So this is kind of what we have right now.
So maybe what I'll do is I'll top it when we transfer it to the board. So we let the steam evaporate from the pizza so that it keeps the crust crisp. A crisp crust.
Crisp crust. Say that a few times. And how long do we want to let it?
Just about this a little bit. I don't see the steam building up so much. So why don't we transfer? It doesn't take that long.
No.
Okay.
Okay, I'll take that.
And this is just Pico de Gallo is like a fresh salsa. So tomato, cilantro, onions, garlic, salt and pepper, jalapenos if you like it, or some other spicy seasoning. So how does that look?
Can I borrow your spoon?
Yeah.
And this is kind of like just.
Okay.
I'm a very symmetrical person. There's probably some condition I have, but all right. Okay. So I'm going to slice these just a little bit bigger than normal.
Okay.
But if you want yours cut.
No, that's okay. I just remember last time it was really hot.
If you want a smaller piece there for you.
Okay. Do you want a plate?
I do want a plate.
Okay. There. Well,
Yeah, actually, I think I'll take. You can take that. I think I'll take not quite the bigger piece, but this one here.
Here's your napkin.
Okay.
Good.
Here goes nothing.
Is it hot? Did you burn your tongue? Good.
Very hot, but tasty. And I think what I would have done is I would have cut the steak, leftover steak into smaller.
Oh, maybe.
Because I think what you use as a steak strip for your fajitas versus what you're trying to do on a slice of pizza. But fantastic taste, and the Pico De Gallo is really.
I like it a little on the zippy side.
Let's see how it goes with the Gamay grape.
Actually, surprisingly, it goes really well.
That works well.
And the spiga dough is really nice. So easy to make, too.
Okay, well, we were hungry. We had some leftover fixings from the fajitas, and we said, you had some dough, a biga on top of it, and we said, why not give this a try? And I'm glad we did. What do you think?
Oh, I think this is a great way to use leftovers. It's very delicious.
Anything you would change?
No, I don't think so. Well, of course, you said you wanted the meat cut up smaller.
Yeah,
I
I
don't
would
think
just-
I would have done it, but
No, you wouldn't.
I
But
would have just used a fork.
Anyway, okay, well, very tasty meal. If you like this type of content, please give us a thumbs up. We welcome new subscribers. Thank you for dropping in on our channel.
And don't forget to share with your friends.
Share with your friends and keep an eye out for the steak fajita video. We cooked it yesterday at lunch and filmed it, so that'll be out in a day or two. And thank you so much. Until next time.
Bye. See you then.